Hey guys, this is Harshal and you're watching Everything Cracked. So this is a video about Mavic Mini 3 Pro, which I have here. As you can see, it's a small drone which comes under the category of under 249 grams. And in this video, I'm just going to show the size and how it is unfolded and everything. So it's not a in-depth review or something like that. Just a like showcase video. So as you can see, you get a front cover for the gimbal. So to remove it, it's just remove from underside. So you can see the camera. And after that, opening the arms is easy, quite easy. You just have to unfold these one down. Other ones are a bit tricky. All you have to do is pull them up. Same with other side. And here you go. So this is a 48 megapixel camera, which is like the latest in the DJI Mavic series, which can go vertical shooting. So this is the only drone, because I think Mavic Pro Platinum had it, but it's discontinued now. So this is the only drone which can do vertical recording, and it's mostly focused towards content creators. And they also added a new thing, that is this DJI RC. So usually the RC that you get didn't have a screen, so this one has a screen. So as you can see, so they have added a slot here to add the joysticks. And this is everything. Like, it's really small, it literally fits in your pocket if it's big enough. So this is it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. And I'll make more videos like about the flying, about the tutorials, about how you can fly it and everything. So stay tuned, do subscribe, and also write down in the comments what kind of videos do you want to see about the drone and everything. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video.